and 2.0 are not the same, and this tuple is not greater than this one. 3 is greater than or equal to itself, and these strings are not equal. Small h and capital H have different ASCII values. Battle of numbers. Write a function that takes a list and returns the greatest number without using the max function. Numbers is a list. Consider the first number a winner, then for each number in the numbers list, if it is greater than the winner, it is now the winner. At the end, return whatever winner we have. Out of this list, 9 wins, and out of this one, 8 wins. Here it's -8, so 7 is the greatest. Anagrams. Write a function that takes two strings and checks whether they are anagrams. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of another. This function takes two words, it converts both to lowercase and compares their sorted versions. If equal, the two words are anagrams, so this accordingly returns true or false. Alter is an anagram of alert, later is to, Taylor is not, and alert is an anagram of itself. The last digit. Write a function that takes 3 integers and returns true if the last digit of the result of multiplication of the first two equals that of the third. The code for this is simple. Multiply A and B, turn this into a string, and get the last digit, which is a string right now. Turn the third value into a string and get its last digit. If these two are equal, return true. 13 by 32 is 416, and 226 ends with a 6 too, so true. 27 by 22 is 594. 4 and 9 are not the same, false. And 765 by 544 is 416160. This sure ends with 0, so this returns true. Tale of twins. Write a function that takes in an integer, then checks whether it's greater than the integer that is its mirror image. We take the string version of the number and reverse it, then turn it back into a number. If the original is greater than or equal to this, return true. 73 is indeed greater than 37. 7 is equal to 7, but 132 is not greater than or equal to 231.